굉장히 잘 어울린다.
그게 들어가서 고추기름이 조금 덜 들어가도 괜찮아.
맛있다.
Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. Need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
맛있어.
역시 불고기는 달달해야 돼.
그래서 이 청양고추 진짜 맛있는데? 청양고추가 신의 한 수네.
그지?
굉장히 잘 어울린다.
그게 들어가서 고추기름이 조금 덜 들어가도 괜찮아.
고추기름 안 넣어도 되겠다. 처음에는 그게 맛이 팍 살아갖고 고추기름이 더 들어갔으면 더 맛있겠다 이런 생각을 했는데 청양고추 맛을 보니까 고추가 없어도 되겠네.
그게 또 있고 없고 차이가 있을까?
차이 있지, 차이.